11 attempts, 58 yards. He also had 3 catches for 14 yards for 72 total scrimmage yards. A few things. All this was like basically 1 quarter, if not 2 quarters. I know, yes, he's dealing with a little injury right now, but the biggest conversation before this game coming in was, what is the depth chart looking like for this Cardinals running back room? Between Tyler Algier, James Conner, Trey Benson, Bam Knight, Jeremiah Love, they have so many bodies. And so the fact that Jeremiah Love is able to actually come in and with very, very little attempts as an overall game and is able to come in and truly kind of establish himself as, hey, I am the guy that got drafted so highly.